Hey guys, it's 4:10 right now. We're getting ready to go on a duck hunt. We're gonna try the new boat that I painted yesterday. Try some new rig 'em rights and some new wood duck decoys. My dad is just outside. He said it's super windy out, and it's probably about 40 or 50 degrees outside. So we're gonna try to get to the public land. Hopefully, no one else is there. And yeah, thanks for watching and wish us luck. Okay, so for some reason the camera isn't focusing that well, but we're out here in the boat right now. We just paddled our way across the pond. We threw out all the decoys, or not all of them. We threw out about probably 15, maybe 6 new wood duck decoys that I got, and we put them on the rig 'em rights. And hopefully they're still there when the light comes out. It's pitch black out right now. You can see a couple stars. The radar says it's gonna rain in about like an hour or something. So hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it's just like overcast and we can sit in the boat nice and not get super wet. But hopefully we shoot some ducks, or see some anyway. And wish us luck. Thanks.
Nice. All the paint's going away on the floor where my boots are. It's all washing away. I got more paint. I led him quite a bit that time. I don't know if you shot him or if I shot him. There's a good one. I got that one. Is it a seal? I see it. Black. Ken wood duck.
Well, we're ending the hunt today. We just got back to the spot where we put the boat in. We ended up shooting 2 ducks. Let's see, where are they here? We got those. My dad shot the first one and I shot the second one. So the one's a black duck and the other one, don't know. So it was a good hunt in the new painted boat. I just painted it yesterday, so where we walked around and stuff, it got a little bit, just the paint kind of fell off, but got most of the footage on the GoPro hopefully. Now I gotta load her up on that. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. One more thing that I forgot to add before is me and my friend Alex. You've seen Alex before in some of my other videos. We started this small little business or whatever. We make lanyards. Here, I'll show you mine. We've been making lanyards like this, spiral braid, and then, not spiral braid, cobra braid. And then also we've been making some totes to haul your ducks in and out. Today I used that and it worked good. Just kept the ducks together and not like moving around or anything. And also it can help you keep everyone's ducks like by their, like if you shoot a limit, you can keep all your ducks on one tote and someone else can have another tote and they can keep all their ducks. So it's just a good way to stay organized. The dog just pulled the cord on that light up there. But yeah, so I thought I'd add that. Thanks for watching and See you in the next video.